Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open the Gallery app and select a photo you want to edit. Tap Edit, then tap the AI icon at the bottom of the screen. The AI editor scans your image and returns quick suggestions like enhance, remove, recolor, and portrait improvements. You will see small thumbnails representing each suggestion under the photo. Swipe left and right to preview each suggested edit quickly. Tap any thumbnail to apply it and prepare for finer adjustments before saving the final image. Tap a suggestion to apply it, then use sliders for strength. Sliders control intensity for aspects like brightness, detail, and color warmth. Use the brush tool to paint AI effects selectively on subjects or in the background. Pinch to zoom to work precisely on edges and hair. Use the eraser to remove unwanted AI changes from areas you painted. If you make a mistake, tap Undo or Open History to revert steps before exporting the corrected image. Save your final image as a new copy to keep the original intact. Tap Save as Copy to preserve the unedited photo and create the edited version. Choose JPEG for compatibility or HEIF for smaller file size with high quality. For printing, choose the highest quality export, and for social media, choose a compressed file to save space. Create presets for frequent edits, and reuse AI templates to speed your workflow when editing batches of photos on the.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.